Hello everyone, welcome to subscribe of my channel. Today we're talking about the Discourse, how many backup we need to keep it. As we know, Discourse can set up backup, and in the backup it's like set a default, it's keep a maximum of 5 backups. And normally the location will be local storage as well as computer. If you do set up S3, you can use S3 for our servers we set up S3. So the question is how many backup has need to be kept and how often going to backup. And the default value is 7, which means 7 days. We did upgrading for this one, and we set up backup for the 600 and backup frequency it's every day. The reason for that one is because we noticed recently we have to back up our system and we need to do updating for our system. But unfortunately, for somehow the data cannot be retrieved, and for somehow the data not retrieved correctly. So we have to go back even more than 5 days or 3 days, like 5, 6 days to get the data back. The problem is some data getting lost, and we have to dump the data to post-gray, which means our local environment, to check the data to cross-reference and get the data updated. So that's the problem. If you only back up the 5 data, you're going to get a lot of chance to lose your data. And if the data get lost, it probably doesn't have a good chance to get the data back. And also the backup frequency, if you put a default, it's 7. So typically you back up your system once a week. I think that's way too long. Normally we back for the size of us, we back up like 1 day a week, and also running automatically. And then when you get everything set up and using backups, you can see how many backup you're going to have, and also you can get it downloaded and delete it. Normally we don't delete it since we already use S3. That the size doesn't have some problem. It's big enough. And also in the below, you can see how many data has been used, how many backup in S3, how many data are going to use. And I don't think the size will be matter because the S3 is kind of pretty cheap. So for our suggestion, it's put your data back as much as you can in case getting lost. At least should keep 30 days or even 90 days. That's for safety. All right, thank you very much. See you next time.